We got a 2010 Ford Escape, and the tail light's out. The turn signal is out. They will still illuminate, but it will not turn. So we're going to change that bottom bulb. I'm going to show you how to change that. First thing you got to do is open the hatch, and then you can see there's two Phillips head screws. The screws are the easy part, but I'm going to show you what you have to do to get it out. See, we got the hatch open. There's a Phillips screwdriver here and one down there, so I'm going to take them out now. So use a long screwdriver, be easier to turn. There's one. There's the second one coming. I can see the lights moving a little bit. So there's clips that hold these lights in usually. Sometimes they're harder to get out, sometimes they're easier. The first thing I do is I try to wiggle it. It doesn't come, so. So what I'm going to do is hold this light with the left hand, and with the right hand give it a hit. You don't want to break it, you want just enough to knock it out. Because these pins here hold it in. It's the pressure that holds it in. So it's the two screws and the pressure. That's the trick. So now we're going to change this bottom bulb. Just twist it. This one's a little tough. And pull it out. Now that you have it out, you pull it out. And sometimes they have a number on it. This one doesn't. You can take it to your local auto supply house and they'll match it up. And then when you get the new one, you put it back in, screw it back in, and reverse the process. Hold that. You want to line these pins back up to those holes. Give it a little taparoni, and put the screws back in. You want to test all your bulbs before you put the screw back in. That way you know everything's working well. All right, now you want to test them. If everything's good, then you're done. Joe Beer Master, bada bing.